Welcome to the exciting world of online earning, where you have the opportunity to unlock your earning potential from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will explore two popular platforms, swagbucks and surveytime, that can help you earn money and rewards online. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or want to supplement your income, these platforms offer a variety of ways to maximize your online earnings. So let's dive in and discover how you can start earning money right away.
Welcome to this comprehensive guide on swagbucks, the popular online platform that allows you to earn money and rewards in various ways. Swagbucks is a free-to-join website where you can complete tasks, take surveys, watch videos, shop online, and more to earn points called SB. These SB can then be redeemed for gift cards, PayPal cash, or other exciting rewards. With millions of members worldwide, swagbucks has become a trusted and reliable source of online income. In this video, we will explore how you can sign up, get started, and maximize your earnings with swagbucks. So let's dive in and unlock the world of online income together. Now that you know what swagbucks is all about, let's get started with signing up and exploring the platform. To join swagbucks, simply visit their website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email address or through your Facebook account. Once you've created your account, you'll need to complete a short profile survey to help swagbucks match you with relevant earning opportunities. It's important to provide accurate information in this survey, as it will help tailor the earning options to your interests and preferences. After completing the profile survey, you'll be ready to start earning. Swagbucks offers a user-friendly interface where you can easily navigate through different earning categories such as surveys, offers, videos, and more. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform and explore the various ways you can earn SB. Remember, the more active you are on swagbucks, the more opportunities you'll have to earn rewards. So go ahead and sign up now to unlock the potential of online income with swagbucks. Now that you're all set up on swagbucks, let's dive into the various ways you can start earning money. Swagbucks offers a wide range of earning opportunities, so you can choose the ones that suit your interests and preferences. One popular way to earn is by taking surveys. Swagbucks partners with market research companies to gather valuable consumer insights, and they reward you for sharing your opinions. You'll find surveys on a variety of topics, from product preferences to current events. Another way to earn is through cashback shopping. Swagbucks has partnerships with thousands of online retailers, so whenever you make a purchase through their links, you'll earn SB back. It's like getting paid to shop. Additionally, you can earn by watching videos. Swagbucks has a vast library of entertaining videos across different categories. Simply watch the videos and earn SB. If you enjoy playing games, you're in luck. Swagbucks offers game tournaments where you can compete against other players for a chance to win SB. And if you're a fan of discovering new products, you can try out free trials and sign up for special offers to earn even more. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can earn money on swagbucks. So, explore the platform and find the earning opportunities that excite you the most. Get ready to turn your spare time into extra income. Now that you know the different ways to earn money on swagbucks, let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. First, be sure to complete your profile surveys. These surveys help swagbucks match you with relevant earning opportunities, so make sure to provide accurate information. Next, keep an eye out for special offers and promotions. Swagbucks often has limited time deals where you can earn extra SB for completing certain tasks or reaching specific milestones. It's a great way to boost your earnings quickly. Another tip is to take advantage of referral programs. Swagbucks rewards you for referring friends and family to the platform. So spread the word and earn even more SB. Additionally, consider joining Swagbucks' loyalty program called Swagbucks VIP. As a VIP member, you'll receive exclusive perks, such as higher cashback rates and access to premium surveys. It's definitely worth considering if you're serious about maximizing your earnings. Lastly, make sure to check out the Swagbucks blog and social media channels. They often share tips, tricks, and updates on new earning opportunities. Stay informed and stay ahead of the game. With these tips and tricks in mind, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full earning potential of swagbucks. Happy earning!
Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Look no further than surveytime. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock online income by mastering surveytime for maximum earnings and easy cash outs. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just someone looking to supplement their income, surveytime is the perfect platform for you. With surveytime, you can get paid for sharing your opinions and completing surveys on a wide range of topics. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the exciting world of online income with SurveyTime. Now that you're ready to start earning money with SurveyTime, let's get you set up with an account. It's quick and easy. Simply visit the SurveyTime website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Sign Up and you're good to go. You'll receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Just click on the link in the email and you'll be directed back to SurveyTime. Congratulations! You're now officially a member of the SurveyTime community. It's time to start earning money by sharing your opinions and completing surveys. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll share tips and strategies for maximizing your earnings on SurveyTime. Now that you have your SurveyTime account set up, let's dive into some tips and strategies to help you maximize your earnings on the platform. First and foremost, it's important to complete your profile surveys. These surveys provide valuable information about you, which helps SurveyTime match you with relevant surveys and increase your chances of qualifying for more surveys. The more surveys you qualify for, the more opportunities you'll have to earn money. Another tip is to check your email regularly. SurveyTime sends out survey invitations via email, so make sure to keep an eye on your inbox. Responding promptly to survey invitations increases your chances of getting invited to high-paying surveys before they fill up. Additionally, it's a good idea to log into your SurveyTime account frequently. New surveys are added regularly, and by checking in often, you'll be able to catch these opportunities early and increase your earning potential. When taking surveys, be honest and provide thoughtful responses. Survey providers value genuine opinions, and by providing quality feedback, you'll increase your credibility and likelihood of receiving more survey invitations. Lastly, consider referring friends to SurveyTime. Many survey platforms offer referral programs, and SurveyTime is no exception. By inviting friends to join, you can earn additional rewards when they complete surveys. Remember, maximizing your earnings on SurveyTime requires consistency, patience, and actively engaging with the platform. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll discuss how to redeem your hard-earned rewards on SurveyTime. Now that you've earned some money on SurveyTime, it's time to cash out and enjoy your rewards. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of redeeming your hard-earned earnings. SurveyTime offers various cash-out options, including PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and virtual Visa cards. To get started, simply log into your SurveyTime account and navigate to the Rewards section. Once you're in the Rewards section, you'll see the available cash-out options. Choose the option that suits you best and click on it to proceed. If you prefer PayPal, enter your PayPal email address and click Redeem. Your earnings will be transferred directly to your PayPal account. For those who opt for Amazon gift cards, select the desired gift card amount and click Redeem. You'll receive a unique code that can be used to add the gift card balance to your Amazon account. Alternatively, if you choose the virtual Visa card, enter your email address and click Redeem. You'll receive an email with a virtual Visa card that can be used for online purchases. It's important to note that SurveyTime has a minimum cash-out threshold, which varies depending on your country. Once you reach the minimum threshold, you'll be eligible to redeem your earnings. After initiating the cash-out process, it may take some time for your rewards to be processed and delivered to you. The exact processing time can vary, but rest assured, SurveyTime strives to deliver your rewards as quickly as possible. That's it. You've successfully learned how to redeem your SurveyTime rewards. Keep earning, keep cashing out, and enjoy the benefits of your online income. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks in our next video.